Yeah man, viewers, I mean, One Love Africa and Jam Tours Africa there where I drive got a new restaurant and Jam Tours, I said some things that me give him some input and he might give me some input, but the whole thing with the mango thing, the mango.
What sweet you going sour you? Radam in your back.
Radam was sweet and sour you.
When Jam Tours money it's sweet and I collect it. Whole family I collect. Whole family I collect and stay in Nairobi.
Yeah.
Is what I
the whole
say?
family.
Reach out to her and say, yo, give me my things them, let's split things, let's make things right.
Make a payment plan or something.
Something, my yo.
Even me reach out to her and she ignore the message. Come, yo, me reach out to her.
Yeah.
I reach out to Mr. Mango and Mrs. Mango and me say, yo, whatever going between me and Jam Tours, so we can resolve this because we are all one. A unity we say.
Yeah.
We try to unite. So Jam Tours on him side willing to cooperate and work with you. You can make a payment plan, you can apologize back to him, everything will be good. She decided to ignore the message and she decided to be quiet.
Block the liar.
Yeah, block the liar.
Big and mighty.
Yeah, the attorney reached out to her, she blocked the liar, she blocked the court, everywhere.
Everywhere.
You understand? And she enjoy herself, you know. Different countries, Caribbean islands, and we not say no, we not watch no face because we should live our life. But
yeah,
we're just trying to say, yo, you can't treat people who live in your country bad because when you go to Jamaica, Jamaica people embrace her.
Yeah man.
When she go anywhere in the world, them embrace her.
Imagine the amount of people, all Jamaicans are bash me, dog.
Even Jamaicans. Yeah, we see it.
Even Miss Jam Tours I say, yo, she can't wait because right now she have to get brinkled upon them. Because I remember even more Jamaican people, I say, yo, leave the girl alone.
Your own Jamaican people are sell out to them in our line.
Leave the girl alone.
Yeah, they sell out them own for stranger enough time they do it.
Another man I say, yo, because you don't get no rare, you're vexed because of this and that. All kind of thing, man.
True.
All kind of thing people I say, bash
yeah, man, yeah, that's how they stay, man.
No, you know, no case and all kind of thing. So,
and see, they say never have no case.
Yeah.
And look what go on now. You win the case because we leave everything in God's hands.
Yeah, man, Jahan. I remember in my mind when everything I go and think I boil up in my mind because the girl send fake liar to actually this is and create
and that could be a next case, you know.
You see me I said?
That could be another case.
Some fake documents.
Fake documents, yeah.
So me ease off. I'm come to boom my out. Ease off and I say, alright, I make it go and slap because I don't know what is what the entire first time in Kenya I get a liar documents in
Kenya, first time.
In Kenya, so we kinda feel scared in our way.
Yeah.
And I think we need to get married or something we need for it. We got the attorney and we did the first thing, somebody advised me from YouTube. YouTuber advised me and say, yo, there's a small claims court in or something there, you know.
So shout out for that YouTuber who advised Jam Tours what to do step by step.
Yeah man. So even the reactors them, big them up.
Yeah man, the reactors them.
Yeah man, because we come so boom now my youth and I go sort up a marriage document, so I forget some affidavit or something.
Yeah.
And I say, alright, you know, I don't know if it's after or before. I think it's before. No, I think it's after. I think it's before or after, one of them.
Yeah.
But the YouTubers said to me, say, yo, there's a small claims court and thing, and you can actually go there and thing. So, the process was so long, you know, a government thing that.
Yes.
So when I go for the affidavit and bring it up to my attorney.
Yes.
And my attorney say, yeah man, we can actually expedite, so you don't have to go no court, you don't have to do nothing.
So big up the attorney,
you know what I mean? Big up the attorney, I tell you, say, two things you need to get when you come in our country. You need to get an accountant and an attorney.
Remember that two things, main things, coming to Africa. Accountant and an attorney. If you want to do business, you need an accountant and you're going to need an attorney.
Yeah.
Anything can take place here on the continent or anywhere in the world. But especially here, people like now I say just especially here though, but when you put your money in people's hands, you understand, you better get an attorney to look oversee documents and contracts and stuff like that. Because you be kind to people and expect them to be kind to you, them always try to screw us over. And a lot of you guys who's watching this video right now has been in this situation. But continue Jam Tours.
Yeah man, so me I say, bring it up to my attorney and I say, hey, let me see the transaction, all the bank transaction and everything and the receipt for everything when you do and thing.
Yes.
And then I say, yeah man, you have a case, you can come. A lot of people I say, yo, we never have a case now because them I say, boy, rare. And man say you can ask for a refund of your money. Because the bank transfer and everything is there, so you send our money if you do this and do that and all kind of thing. So we asked for a refund because she put her name on the lease and she not put my name on the lease.
She didn't put your name on the lease?
Yeah,
so you're the one doing the spending, you made the agreement with her to get the place.
Yeah.
But she put her names and she didn't put yours.
Yeah, when she first time she come to Ghana, the first time she had traveled out.
To Ghana?
It was Osar and thing in Ghana.
You Osar?
Yeah, man.
Same thing.
So me I tell you. So what she did, man, was like criminal.
Yeah.
But our bank account dry up.
Right now.
Yeah, family. So as me I tell you, talk to me attorney and I say, yeah, man, I ask for a refund and everything. And just give me some money and I'll expedite it for you and thing. Send her a demand letter and say, that person send a demand letter and say, yo, you owe this man some money. You have 14 days to reply. Or else me I go sue you. Ignore.
Yes, she ignored.
So boom, 14 days pass. So boom again, I said, sue you know, because you know what I mean, demand letter like maybe 10,000 Kenyan shillings.
For the demand letter? For
the demand letter, and then now, if they don't reply now, you know my you.
And she was sending threats from before.
Yeah, she was sending threats from before.
We are in Kenya, you know. This guy's in Kenya who invested money into her. He come all the way from Jamaica to Africa and him see this young lady, and as well everyone see her on the internet, she's freestyling, flexing, like everything is good. He put his trust into her, just like what everyone is doing on the internet, and he invests his money. You remember, just like people can invest their money into we, who's doing this right now, to do business, and they trust us that much to give us their money to do business for them, and everyone can give us a good testimony and video about it. He did the same with her, but she ended up to scream over. When he asked for your money, demand it. I won't mind the window call again. When you demand his money back or a percentage or a shares, just split the shares. You understand? Go on with everything you have, but just make him get what he's supposed to get. She send threat, this is her country, this and that. Yo, I love Kenya, you know. So I don't want she act like she want to come call down people or anyone who's watching this feel like we are bashing anyone in Kenya. We're not bashing no one in Kenya. We're just saying that fear is fear. Just like how if any foreigner come here and try to treat Kenyans bad, I would defend the Kenyans over the foreigner. So same way when a foreigner come here and someone try to rob them or screw them over, so we want people to defend we too. Yeah, you see what I say? So I'm going to boom slogan and send her the demand letter, send her so we have sue her, she don't reply, nothing at all. Yeah. Send her some more documents, you have 14 days to turn in, send her some more documents, you have this and that, if you don't do this and that, we're going to do this and that. Still not forward to reach a point now, she'll have black all the liar now, because you know what I mean? She'll play hard. She'll play hard. Now we have to sign up now for a quote harder, we have to go through the bank now. Yes. Because you know what I mean, she didn't reply and say nothing. No one is bigger than the law. So she didn't reply and say nothing, so we have to go so boom and get a quote order to garnish the account. Yes. I don't think they take long enough, man. We started this process. Well, I know when we started, last year we started. Yeah, late last year. And it just come true. So when I say when you time. Look, I said that's to show how much time she got on her hand. And I still have to pay the lawyer if I go quote and everything then. Out of your pocket. Out of my pocket. So all of them things the family. So we just let you know that, you know what I mean, this information is for like educational purpose. And when you come in Africa, you need to get an attorney on your side. And you need to, you know what I mean, make sure everything is in your name. And that's where we come in, where we help you to get your tax number. So everything can be in your name, family. So big up to Jam Tours Africa and One Love Africa. Straight up. Go like, go share and comment, family. But as I said with the Mango case, she actually MIA right now. People are asking her what going. We know she's silent. Knows she's crying at the toilet right now. Because I remember when the girl tell me, say, no, man, say, yo, you know, I get nothing from this apartment. Nothing. I hear money by everything plus rent. All me have to do, I have to just block you. That's all me have to do. That's just said. That's just said. That's exactly do. The brother, all of them block me, dog. You see, the whole of them. What, the YouTuber brother? Yeah, all of them might, and them people me send. And the first donation me send on YouTube. The first donation was to the one of the brother them. Yeah. First donation money me ever go on YouTube and donate. Was one of the brothers. Was one of the brothers. So you know what I mean? I support these people and thing. He likes them in good and in Africa. And look what they do to you. Drop into a hand where, you know what I mean? They say sorry for Maga dog. Jamaica have a thing, you know, when they sorry for Maga dog, they turn around and bite you. So that happened. You understand? Enough people. Enough people. Yeah, help them with their YouTube channel, yeah, drive your car, yeah, get chauffeur to carry them around, we get content, all of these things. Yeah.
See what I say?
True.
And when people see them in a country and make video, them feel like say, yo.
Them are saint.
Them just be superhero and just going around taking pictures. Nobody not behind the scene helping doing this. Nobody not pay for this. Nobody not.
Yeah, man, people. You understand? If you just be careful of people on earth, because a whole lot of Jamaican people bash you, you know. I remember I did a video and I tried to resolve the case.
Yeah.
And people running in the comment section and bashing the dog. I like them want to turn me against Jam Tour, but this is my Jamaican brother, so all my own Jamaican people who want to turn me against my own Jamaican brother, we tour with their Africa together. Look how we're thousands of miles away from Jamaica.
Yeah.
And my own people, you understand, want to turn me against my own brother that's here. The two of us there together. The two of us in the country, the two of us are representing Jamaica. My own people, I try to sell you out. Now sell out. You understand? Big up yard and love yard, but nothing want to sell out.
Do better than that. Better than that,
man.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, family. So we got some boom, as me I telling you the story, dog. Say how, you know what I mean, assist these people and help them in many ways. When they come to Kenya, the brother, the first one going to the apartment, go sleep. When nothing in night. That's what I say, my youth. So, you know what I mean, I have nothing against them. I have nothing against the Mongo. You know, to each his own, my youth. So, you know what I mean, them over here, so we over here, so and we are doing thing, them are do them thing.
Yeah, man, big up Mongo and big up my moral.
And you know, life is just a journey. And some people are just part of your journey slogan. And,
yeah, man.
You know what I mean? Both people benefit, me benefit, and them benefit. That's what I mean.
Exactly.
But in all fairness, you know, you can't be so dishonest. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because even though we go on a journey, both of us make money from the journey, because all of them videos we do in Ghana and Kenya is me was behind all of them videos there.
Do the video for her?
Yeah, of course, my youth.
Okay. In the video when she was in Ghana? Or she just come to Kenya?
Yeah, all of them videos and thing, and when she come to Kenya too.
Okay then.
So both of us benefit, so we not knock nobody. Life for life, and you have to
give and take.
You have to give and take and move on.
Exactly.
But when you go through life, just always be honest. And don't try to do people dirty because you have a few subscribers. This is just like a you know what I mean, a lesson to Demongo. I hope she learn a lesson now, and she don't go around and actually
ripping off people,
take people things, and I feel like so because he's a YouTuber. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because she have people a back her. That is why she keep on doing this stuff.
And you know, I think called moderator on YouTube. All of them toxic people, you find them a moderator.
Yeah, man.
And when somebody says something about Jam Tour's case, pick it out like a.
Yeah, man.
Imagine one day me I watch on live, man, and somebody say, go pay Jam Tour's in money and pick as seconds.
You got
moderator that delete.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Then I like that.
So if you don't know Demon gonna know about this, because enough old people over foreign don't know what going on. And then just watch the video.
True.
But you might see when you look on our city, you don't see no bad comment. And when you watch our live, everybody attack good.
Yeah, man.
Because I'm the moderator.
Yes,
moderator
man.
Don't delete the truth.
Yes, exactly.
You can't delete truth, me youth.
Can't delete the truth, because what's in the dark must come in the light.
I was thinking the other day, and I said to myself, yo, a tuggy Jamaica will con you up, but an intellectual Jamaican will lie you up.
Yeah, man, that's exactly what happened.
Yeah.
Because you had man in the plane.
We're not going to fight and thing, but you're going to lie you up to get back with things.
Yeah, man, because we try to do the right way, because if you go about it the wrong way, you know, you say you in the wrongs and she never do this, but you have all the evidence,
yeah,
you have all the proof, the text messages, everything, the money where you send,
yeah,
all the receipts.
Yeah.
So what more than that people want? It's full time money.
See me as a record, I remember one time I said to myself, say, yo, Jai, you really let me come to Africa and lose so much money? You know what I mean? You really let me come and lose this money because you come to Africa for investment, you know, at a loss, and if you run, go back home.
Yes.
Is that what I
try to come for the motherland to live good.
Ask John, you really let me come and lose this money, Jah?
Pray to your God.
Yeah, man. I remember me under the Mugumo tree. And I say, yo, I can't believe you make me come and make me lose so much money. You know, so I'm going to buy a piece of land for me youth them. I do a lot of things, you know what I mean? You know that. You know, say, yo. And one thing enough, people, when you're out there in life, when somebody have kids, don't mess with them.
True.
You enter you out smart and out cheat and try to be dishonest to somebody who have kids and try to grow a family, a young family. Lightning and thunder.
Yeah, man.
Lightning, when just lick you get licked from all sides. Imagine the girl them got Trinidad slogan and They lock up one of them party, named Christmas list.
Yeah.
And all of them have to scatter, all of them run.
Yeah.
Who got Jamaica, who got a Grenada, who got a St. Vincent. Everybody
Really?
gone. Christmas list alone and in a trial. Yesterday, I'm going to trial. They want to give him like 7 years, I think.
Jesus,
They want to give him in a jail.
what him do so?
My, the man, I have some video when people, the man, them in the
Oh,
bad
Chris.
man there, yeah.
Oh.
Christmas list.
Christmas list, yeah.
Yeah. Christmas list.
You get bail.
You're not be on the Christmas list this Christmas.
What you get bail? I think you
You
get
get
bail.
bail when them have to stay in a train that now.
Oh, flooding court. That messed up, man. So I've got to spend money
you
to
know
stay
what I
at
mean?
train.
But you know, doing content right now, you can't try to be out, you know what I mean, extreme.
True.
Because the police, the government security team, maybe I try to catch them man there forever. And you go there now, I show them up. So the citizen might say, yo, you're not there work government.
True.
So
Because
then
all this money can't come and find them.
I can find them and video them and put them on the YouTube and now.
And you're the government for the country, I can't
I remember
find
saying
them.
it's a tourist island, the people don't know want to come. I don't want to come to Trinidad when they see
True.
all of them, you know what I mean?
True.
Video,
The derogatory video
big
there.
gun and thing pan.
For real, for real, for real.
Freestyle and
Christmas!
so, you know what I mean? So Christmas list. We have to take care of the Christmas list this Christmas.
I know stuff, but I hope everything work out for him though. Like I hope them free him up and
Yeah,
beat
man,
the case
yeah,
because
yeah.
he's innocent man, he's a YouTuber like we.
Just a YouTuber like we.
Yeah, go around and try to do content and stuff like
You know,
that.
try to go up to the extreme. You know, it's the YouTuber right now.
No, you might always share the extreme because
Yeah, yeah.
Jamaica and got where place man in Jamaica, mommy?
Flankers.
Flankers. Yeah, not it. Me live in Jamaica, me never got flankers yet. Yeah, man. And I like some have links to flankers now, but me never go.
You never go.
But this a man that know no boy yard. And he got flankers.
Man,
Christmas list. You know I make the Christmas list.
You shouldn't go to the Caribbean and this.
Yeah, man, you should do that. But we shout out to Christmas stay away.
Yeah, big up see where Christmas.
I like him video them because he do some good content and show some good input
some
and some good insight.
Yeah, some good insight, you know.
Yeah, man, I like that.
You know what I mean? You know Christmas is that just you know what I mean, YouTube fun.
Yeah.
That's how we vibe. But
Yeah, man, we don't mean no, man, that's vibes.
We might talk some truth, but you have to just learn and move on in a life. And
True,
that's how
man.
life go. You know
True,
what I mean? You
true,
learn from
true.
experience. Experience teaches wisdom.
Yeah,
You know
man.
what I say?
Yeah, man.
So,
Yeah, man. All of us
do
make
your thing,
mistakes,
go
man.
and
All
eat
of
your
us.
food. Hope they're free up. And I hope you can go back to your kids them in Canada because you know what I mean?
Rough, man.
How it feel when in a first world country and get locked up in a third world country.
Yeah, man, it's rough, man. I tell
Or
you.
the third world country, but you know what I mean? Sometimes in
Trinity.
Caribbean jail, they're wicked.
Cause remember, the brother, Trinidad, it's no man.
Yeah.
Trinidad jail and normal.
Yeah,
They get locked up there, they be a bad man and gangsters and you know
yeah.
these type of people and man like Chris, they know nothing about those type of life.
Well, I guess I'm in the army, so I don't know.
You see now America, different thing now you got Trinidad.
Canada.
Canada, it even worse. A different thing now you got Caribbean.
Yeah.
If rough. Cause then the man that jail and normal.
You got Jamaica jail, you ball.
You cry in water. But Chris, you're one tough guy and you know where you do your thing, so. Big up Chris.
Why eat your food?
Love goes out.
Yeah.
Yeah man, but people who are watching video, just know that say justice is coming.
Yeah.
Yeah man, say jam tours actually. I get through. Me don't want to talk too much, but
Yeah.
we not celebrate either.
Yeah, we just
We just make you know what go on. Be careful when you come on the continent or you go anywhere at all in the world and you want to invest and you decide to trust people to put your money in their hands. Because Jam Tour said he was supporting these people a long time before he even collaborate with them. And when he started to collaborate with them, they go around him, the brothers them block him and the family, everyone block him. And she decided that she's not going to give him back his money.
I remember when two of the brothers make a video, one make one. One of the big ones say, oh, I'm a sister apartment. The small one say, yo, somebody will move in this soon.
Yeah?
Yeah, so, you know what I mean? So the big boy are the one where, you see me, he might the one where me go to and say, yo, try and match this up with your sister, no man.
Try to work it out.
You did there, you know, say I'm here buy everything. You're in the apartment and everything. You even stay there before you go.
Yeah.
You travel to America.
To try
You
to
know what I
help
say?
make work out, yeah.
So you know, say I do everything. You know what I mean?
And him ignore it. He
So
act
when-
like he's with you,
Yeah.
and then he takes side with his sister and block you.
Yeah, man, so like him tell the sister, because the sister never, someone go to him and say, yo, why go and say, won't get back to me. So he look like him go, and his sister tell him, say, yo, me take away Airbnb, take the apartment from the boy, you know. Rare.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, man, that you do. Yeah, man, make you run it, man. I said, yo.
Yeah, like how that go on.
Yo, my youth.
Yo, you think Jamaicans are idiots? Try to watch myself here, man.
I'm driving a car one day slogan. I'm going to call the apartment manager because them, you know, them help me get the apartment, get the tenant them in the apartment and thing, and all kind of thing.
Yeah, man.
And I say, yo. I ask him, I say, yo, I want to pay the rent and I collect the thing. But I said, the big brother, and the big brother Mara pay the rent and I collect and all kind of thing.
Yeah, man.
I get bringle my youth.
Because I'm the first person to go to talk to and feel like he's with you.
Yeah.
But he's not with you.
So I wait for the man. 1 year wait for the man, dog. Because I say, I'm not pushing in the slogan because I'm a family them, yeah. I think they will go, even if they won't give me rust.
Okay, respect. You think they respect you?
They will just do the calculation
and give back something.
And give back my food. So
yeah.
Wait for the brother 1 year, my you. 1 year? 1 year
12 months,
because the boy I travel and him now come back. So when him come back now, I link him up, my you.
Yeah.
And tell you, I get bring them here so the boy I collect and I pay me thing in that.
1 year
straight. Because rise up some video them have 20k views. That time the news fresh.
Yes.
The news fresh them time them my youth and them get the letter my youth and say remove the video them. So remove the video them down.
You remove your video?
Yeah?
You get the letter from the fake letter?
You get the fake letter and then they remove
fake
the first video. The first video
they should get sued for that too.
And then after now the YouTuber call me and tell me. And then after now I got me I turn it and I saw the link set. Now me I remember I say I saw.
Yeah,
so
man.
first the brother blocked me and thing. And then you know what I mean, that's how the thing go down for me.
True.
Yeah.
True. And now the account why you think she's MIA?
MIA?
She's MIA because her account is blocked and she's worried because she have to pay so much money now in court.
And she have to pay all the bank.
She have to pay so much money at the bank. And no matter what, she don't have to pay the bank. The bank is going to withdraw the money because they froze her account. They freeze her account.
Yes, because it's like a liability to the bank now. So a Friday I commit, make we have to freeze the account. You know,
yes.
So, you know that's a serious
case. She thinks that was small fry. You ramp with Jamaican people. We're not stupid.
The bank will go say you take me to court. And the bank have to come in a court, you know. So.
Yes. Yeah, because you take the bank to court. You waste the bank time.
You waste the bank time. You have to pay for that.
Yeah.
So you see now?
And yeah, this credibility to the bank.
Yeah, I mean the bank. You know what I mean? The
bank look bad.
Yeah.
So you have to pay. She have to pay for that now, and she have to pay for Jam Tours money. She have to pay over $1 million. If I 2 million, if I 2 million Kenyan shillings, and that's three. She pay about 2 million Kenyan shillings in total. Because a lot more fees she have to pay. You understand? The lawyer fee, the court fee, Jam Tours fee, the bank fee, some other statement. You see, if she just answer the phone and she just cooperate, she could just work with a deal with Jam Tours because Jam Tours was open to work out something. She could say, okay, let me pay you back monthly. Or let me give you this money and this is what I have. So can we work out something? No, you send threat. Oh, this is your place and you can't do nothing, you're not getting that, you're not going to get back nothing. See, we'll leave everything in Jah hands.
Yeah man, Jah guide,
I will leave everything in the court system.
Africa.
Yeah, One Love Africa.
Yeah,
make sure you like, subscribe and share. Jam Tours Africa, like, subscribe and share. You understand? You hear that? So this is for the day enough, folks.
Here before
whether or not bash or when you want to say, only can't do nothing about it. Because it's in the court hand and the court already give the upper head and the upper hand to Jam Tours so she lose the case. So I'm gonna say if she never come on YouTube and talk about the case because she been MIA, missing in action. I know she's worried and she's fretting because she need money. And me not say she broke, but what I'm saying is she know what she did and the court freeze her account and they're taking back all the money that she owed. The court, the lawyer, the judge, everyone. So what do you think she's missing? She a fret. Nah, this side no. Big up yourself. But next time,
be fair.
Be fair, yeah man.
You're
be
here.
Fair. This teacher listen. So I want Love Africa. Viewers and subscribers. Like, subscribe, share. You can leave a comment. You understand? Because I know enough I want to give me some negative comment. But watch another one. Don't take Jamaicans to fool. Or not just Jamaicans overall. Don't take people for idiots. Because if it was a case to the Kenyans and I've got through this, we have to pay. And we not try to use anyone in Kenya because we love Kenya. Kenya was second yard. We're second home. You understand? So it could be anyone in the world. Treat people fairly. And if anyone that's watching this video and I do not like what I'm saying or agree what I'm saying, then God be with you. Cause me now go with you. Walk one.